Hi, this is Martha with Quality Driven Software, and I'm going to show you how you can send a survey 3 different ways so you can decide what's best for you. We'll go into surveys. Then the first way is create individual survey, and that's a little misleading because you can send one at a time or you can send multiple. So let's say that I have a team and I want to send to all their clients, so I'll go in here and we'll just select 3 clients for time's sake. I would put in the service date, I would put in the employees, whoever's on that team, and then select the template, and you've already built that right here. And then I would go over here. I'm just going to say I'm sending now, but you can schedule it right here. So I'd save and send now. Okay. The second way is you go to import CSV, and CSV is just a type of Excel file. It's a comma separated value file. Now, if you do not use Zenmade, Service Autopilot, Made Easy, at this point in time, Customer Factor doesn't have the export list or link built, but they are working on it. If you don't use those softwares, then what you may want to do instead of the method I just showed you is you may actually want to save your own survey files, your own CSVs, and then label them, say week 1, Monday, team 1, week 1, Tuesday, team 1, etc. And that would account for all your recurring clients that are regularly scheduled. You can, of course, subtract and add to that file. And the way you would do that is you would download this file here. I actually already have something downloaded, so I'm going to show you. I have it right here. I've already saved it. Okay. All right. I put in the service date, the client names, the client emails, and I put in the employee names. Okay. And this is the part to know. This line right here, this is your header line, and that has to stay the same. If that does not stay exactly the same, when you go to import this file, our software, Quality Driven, is not going to know what you're importing because these are the headers. It tells it what those columns are. All right, you're in the software, you've created your file, and then you would say choose file, and I'm just going to find it this way. All right, there it is. I'm going to open that up, and there it is. It's telling me the upload is complete. This is green instead of red. I don't have any errors. If I had errors, you would see red here, and it would tell you what's wrong. Okay, and then you're going to come down here. You have to select your survey template. This is a demo file, a demo version of our software. So there's only one template, but you could have a customer survey template, a customer service survey. You could have a residential cleaning, a commercial cleaning, a lawn care, whatever service business you're in or type of business. And then again, we won't schedule it, but you can. Then you would just go and import and send surveys. And it's sending the surveys. And there you go. All right. Lastly, this is very similar. You would go into your your scheduling software, and you would export the CSV. So I just showed you how you created your own CSV. If you have a scheduling software that does it for you, they've built an export link, and then you find that file that you just exported, and then you would do the exact same thing that you did a little bit ago, or I did, and you would go find that file. I'll just put in CSV. Have no idea what I'm going to get here, but we're going to just say this one, and we're going to open it. All right, there we go. It didn't have any errors. I didn't know what I was going to get, but we've got this one, and we're going to choose our default template. This one I'll schedule just so you can see, and I would pick my date. I'm going to send it then, and I'll just leave the time the same, and then I would hit import and schedule because I don't want to send now. I want to schedule. All right, there it is. And just to be sure, you could go over here. Now, I did not pay attention to what dates that I imported, so I'm not really sure. They're in here somewhere. I'm not sure which ones they are, but I want to show you this screen. I whizzed through that. You can go to scheduled to see what surveys are scheduled, and then you can go in here. If I wanted to, say, delete one, I accidentally imported something and maybe that person skipped us that day, then I would remove them. Okay, and then let's say that one of these employees did not clean that house. Maybe they left early or so forth. You hit the pencil, which is the edit icon, and then you would go over here and let's just say that Bradley did not clean that house. And then since I'm scheduling it, I would just save and schedule. And then I can show you, this is the one that I took him off. So that's all there is to it. You've got those 3 ways to send a survey. And if you have any questions, you can always get a hold of us at info@qualitydrivensoftware.com or put in a support ticket, which is right here.